Here you sit in your high-back chair, wonder how the view is from there. I wouldn't know, 'cause I like to say up on the floor, yeah, up on the floor. If you like, we could play a game. Let's pretend that we are the same, but you will have to look much closer than you do, closer than you do. And I'm far too tired to stay here anymore, and I don't care what you think anyway, 'cause I think you were wrong about me. Yeah, what if you were? What if you were? And what if I'm the snowstorm burning? What if I'm a wood underneath? What if I'm an ocean far too shallow, much too deep? What if I'm the kindest demon, something you may not believe?